Are you looking to make more sales for your dentistry business but just don't know all you need to get your online sales machine up and running? We have the most complete, highest sales conversion system for you. People think that in order to make sales online, you just need a website. Well, that's really just the beginning of it. With our pre-made dentistry system, you get access to all you need to start making sales every day, starting today. You won't need to hire a designer, a web developer, a marketing guru, or even a video expert. That's because we got it all covered for you. With our pre-made dentistry system, you get access to a complete website already optimized for conversions, a sales funnel for you to start acquiring new prospects and turning them into new customers, multiple Facebook banners with an ad template so you can start running ads right away, an email sequence that you can automatically send it to people that opt into your email list, and a professionally done video proven to convert prospects into customers. Here's a quick peek of all you'll be receiving when you start today. Not only you get access today to this entire system for only $29.90, you'll also get access to several video tutorials teaching you how to customize this entire system however you want so it fits the voice and brand of your business. Just click the link below and get access to your pre-made dentistry system and start acquiring new prospects and turning them into raving customers today. Click the button below now.